Another one, SD Mountain Man. Yep, my little stove. I got her done. My screwed up shoulder and everything. And that going back to that deal. It's Wednesday next week. I get surgery on it. I screwed up 3 out of the 4 ligaments or whatever you want to call them. And then there's some other stuff. I don't know, something with a bicep muscle, something they got to stretch across. They're gonna put screws in and mesh whatever, something to attach it in a different spot. And I'm afraid the way things have been going, the way I've been, I'm me. I'm live free or don't, you know. Um, that's how I've gotten the range of motion back that I've got. If I'd have stayed in that doggone sling the way I have, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing. So I don't know. Anyway, it's gonna be stressful after the surgery to be stuck in that sling and think that if it all comes down to it, I'll have to have surgery again. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want to be back to normal. I'm sick of this crap. I'm sick of this. I woke up in the middle of the night. I rolled over on my right side, even though my ribs hurt a little bit. They're getting a lot better. And when I went to turn back, I turned back like normal, like 6 months ago. And oh my God. That was a mistake. Anyway, yeah, here I'm in the shelter. I got my hole put in. I took a number 10 can lid, cut that around there. That one's a tight fitting one, it was. And then the other one on the other side, I bolted it together. Got my little table it's sitting on. Yes, my bunk is only that far apart, but I don't know. Sooner or later, we're gonna have I'm gonna have some kind of plate on there so I can use my cast iron frying pan, and we'll be cooking out here. And before it gets warm, I want to camp out here. So there it is coming through. I don't have quite an inch like you're supposed to have, but what I did do is on the plywood, put some of that aluminum tape, like ductwork tape or whatever you call it, dryer tape, and I got my cap on. I still got to get a screen in that cap, and I got another, I don't know, 2 foot, 3 foot section, whatever put on there, whatever I bought, I can't remember. I bought 2 elbows and a piece of section because I knew I was going to need something to get out and up, through and out and up. And as it turned out, that one had the hole in it for the the damper. Well, then I had to drill a hole and make the damper go in there in that little short chunk. So anyway, yeah, that's what's next. So I got this lit with I think I said some Michigan gold from Shalisa, and I only got about a half hour here. I gotta hurry up and get to a 50th birthday party, so for a family member. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm excited. It's actually doing something. Got through the wall, sitting here. These, yeah, I can't. I can hold on to these right here. There's not even. I mean, I got a couple sticks down there, split down, to throw in there next if I needed them. But I gotta let it burn out and get going. But yeah, I'm excited. But look at my mess out here outside the shelter. It's still got snow at least, well, there's my knee, past knee deep. But anyway, beautiful day. Thought I'd take and do that and share. There's my Fired Up Friday, Fatwood Friday. I gotta let this die down and cool off before I take off for town for that birthday party. But I'll get in Camp Allegiance Challenge. Can't talk. Camp Challenge Alliance. I gotta find some of my stuff, but I'll do a chemical one. I did it a while back. It's been a while, but I'll do it. Doggone. Oh, I wish I had better camera. There's a, yeah, I probably can't see it through there if you look real close. There's a, oh, I think it's a doggone bald eagle as big as this. Yeah, that's bald eagle. Right there. Oh, but right there between that Y, it flew through. Trying to find it. I'm trying to see it in my, there, right there. right there. Bald eagle. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, God, yeah. That maybe was what come over last night with the geese or the ducks. I could hear the wing swooping. I'm gonna be awful disappointed I lose any chickens or cats or anything, but that was so cool. I hope you all seen that. That was awesome. Anyway, that's it from me, SD Mountain Man out. Happy Fatwood Friday, everybody. Have a great weekend.